the Menopause Survival Kit. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the world of menopause with a fresh perspective. Today, we are excited to present the Menopause Survival Kit, a video designed to equip women with practical tips and essential products for navigating the often challenging journey of menopause with comfort and confidence. Our goal with this video is to provide you with surprising essentials that can make a significant difference in your daily life during the menopausal transition. From hot flashes to mood swings, we understand the struggles that come with this phase, and we are here to offer solutions that can help you feel more at ease and in control. At our channel, we pride ourselves on our informative yet approachable style, ensuring that our viewers feel engaged, supported, and empowered. We believe that by sharing valuable insights and resources, we can make a positive impact on your menopausal experience, helping you embrace this new chapter with grace and resilience. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the must-have items and practical advice that will enhance your daily life during menopause. Let's embark on this journey together and make menopause a time of empowerment and self-care. Understanding menopause, exploring the basics. Menopause is a natural biological process that marks the end of a woman's reproductive years. It typically occurs in women in their late 40s to early 50s, although the timing can vary for each individual. During menopause, the body undergoes significant hormonal changes that can lead to a variety of symptoms and challenges. Common menopausal symptoms include hot flashes, which are sudden feelings of warmth that can cause sweating and discomfort, as well as mood swings, which may range from irritability to feelings of sadness or anxiety. Changes in menstrual cycles, such as irregular periods or the cessation of menstruation altogether, are also typical during this time. Hormonal changes play a key role in menopause, particularly the decline in estrogen levels. These changes can impact various bodily functions, including bone density, metabolism, and skin elasticity. As a result, women may experience physical challenges like weight gain, bone loss, and skin dryness. Emotionally, menopause can be a challenging period as well. The fluctuating hormones can contribute to mood swings, irritability, and feelings of fatigue or low energy. Additionally, the transition out of the reproductive years can bring up complex emotions about aging, self-image, and identity. By understanding the basics of menopause and the impact it can have on women's lives, we can better navigate this transitional period with knowledge, support, and self-care. Surprising essentials, unveiling unexpected solutions for menopausal comfort. In our quest to support women through the menopausal journey, we are excited to introduce a range of surprising essentials that can help manage symptoms and discomfort with ease and effectiveness. From innovative products to practical tips and lesser-known strategies, we are here to empower you with tools that can make a real difference in your daily life during menopause. First up, we showcase a selection of innovative products specifically designed for menopausal women. Cooling towels provide instant relief from hot flashes, while herbal supplements offer natural support for hormonal balance. Comfortable sleepwear made from breathable fabrics can help regulate body temperature and improve sleep quality, a common concern for menopausal women. In addition to products, we share practical tips tailored for menopause management. Mindfulness techniques can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, while dietary adjustments, such as incorporating more plant-based foods and staying hydrated, can support overall well-being. Customized exercise routines focusing on strength training and flexibility can also help alleviate symptoms like joint pain and fatigue. Furthermore, we highlight lesser-known strategies that can enhance emotional well-being during menopause. Acupuncture has been shown to alleviate hot flashes and improve mood, while aromatherapy with calming scents like lavender can promote relaxation and stress relief. Journaling offers a creative outlet for processing emotions and tracking symptoms, fostering self-awareness and empowerment. By exploring these surprising essentials, we aim to provide you with a holistic approach to managing menopausal symptoms and discomfort, empowering you to navigate this transformative phase with confidence and grace. Creating a supportive environment, nurturing well-being during menopause. During the transformative phase of menopause, creating a supportive environment is crucial for women to navigate this journey with grace and resilience. By fostering open communication, seeking out community support, and prioritizing self-care practices, women can enhance their well-being and embrace this chapter of life with empowerment. Open communication plays a vital role in building a supportive network during menopause. By sharing experiences, concerns, and needs with loved ones and healthcare providers, women can feel understood, validated, and supported in their menopausal journey. This open dialogue can lead to personalized care plans, tailored solutions, and emotional validation that can make a significant difference in managing symptoms and challenges. Exploring support groups, online forums, and resources dedicated to menopause can also provide a sense of community and solidarity. Connecting with other women who are going through similar experiences can offer empathy, shared wisdom, and a sense of belonging that can be incredibly comforting and empowering. In addition to external support, self-care practices, stress management techniques, and relaxation strategies are essential for promoting comfort and resilience during menopause. Prioritizing activities that nurture the body, mind, and spirit, such as regular exercise, mindfulness practices, and self-care rituals, can help women cope with symptoms, reduce stress levels, and enhance overall well-being. By creating a supportive environment that values open communication, community connection, and self-care, women can cultivate a sense of empowerment, comfort, and resilience as they navigate the transformative journey of menopause. Empowering women, navigating menopause with confidence and grace. At the heart of our mission is the empowerment of women as they navigate the transformative phase of menopause. By providing knowledge, resources, and encouragement, we aim to equip women with the tools they need to embrace this chapter of life with confidence, resilience, and grace. One key aspect of empowerment is promoting self-advocacy among women in seeking appropriate medical care, information, and support for menopausal symptoms. By empowering women to voice their concerns, ask questions, and actively participate in their healthcare decisions, we can ensure that they receive personalized care that meets their unique needs and preferences. It is also essential to encourage women to embrace the changes that come with menopause as a natural part of life's journey. By reframing menopause as a natural and empowering transition, women can shift their perspective from one of fear or uncertainty to one of acceptance, growth, and self-discovery. Furthermore, we inspire viewers to prioritize their well-being, self-care, and overall health during the menopausal transition. By emphasizing the importance of self-care practices, healthy lifestyle choices, and holistic well-being, women can nurture their physical, emotional, and mental health, leading to a greater sense of empowerment, vitality, and resiliency during this transformative phase. Through knowledge, resources, and encouragement, we empower women to navigate menopause with confidence, grace, and a deep sense of self-awareness and empowerment. Let's embark on this journey together, supporting each other every step of the way. Conclusion: embracing the menopause journey. As we wrap up the Menopause Survival Kit video, let's recap the key insights and tips shared to empower you on your menopausal journey. From practical tips to surprising essentials and the importance of support, we've covered a range of strategies to help you navigate menopause with confidence and grace. Throughout the video, we discussed practical tips such as mindfulness techniques, dietary adjustments, and exercise routines tailored for menopause. We also unveiled innovative products like cooling towels and herbal supplements, as well as lesser-known strategies like acupuncture and aromatherapy for emotional well-being. By implementing the suggestions provided in this video, you can experience a smoother menopausal transition with reduced symptoms, enhanced well-being, and a greater sense of empowerment. Embracing self-care practices, seeking support, and prioritizing your health can make a significant difference in how you navigate this transformative phase of life. We invite you to take action today by subscribing to our channel, liking and sharing this video, and exploring more content related to menopause on our channel or website. Join our community of empowered women as we support each other through the menopause journey. Together, we can embrace this chapter of life with confidence, resilience, and grace.